If you're looking to scrape Yelp reviews easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to scrape reviews from Yelp using Browse AI. Whether you need customer feedback, competitor analysis, or just want to automate some tasks, Browse AI is the tool that makes it possible. Before we dive in, let me mention that you can try Browse AI completely free by using the link in the description below, where we also offer exclusive bonuses to get you started. Stick around till the end, because I'll tell you how you can get an extended free trial to help you dive deeper into Browse AI's features. Now, let's get into the specifics of how to scrape reviews from Yelp using Browse AI. First things first, what is Browse AI? Browse AI is a powerful tool that allows you to scrape data from websites without needing to write a single line of code. It's simple, intuitive, and perfect for marketers, businesses, and anyone who needs to extract useful data from online sources like Yelp. Here's how you can use it to scrape Yelp reviews. The first step is to sign up for Browse AI. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to a dashboard where you can start a new project. In the case of Yelp, you'll need to add the Yelp URL of the business or restaurant you want to scrape reviews from. Browse AI uses a feature called Robot, which mimics the browsing actions you would take manually on the website. You'll want to highlight the reviews section on Yelp, and Browse AI will automatically detect the relevant data for extraction. Once Browse AI recognizes the reviews, it will start scraping them. You can extract information such as review content, reviewer names, ratings, and review dates. This is great for businesses looking to gather customer feedback, or for anyone who needs bulk data for analysis. The key here is the software's ease of use. Browse AI doesn't require you to manually sift through pages of Yelp reviews. It automates the entire process, saving you time and effort. Another cool feature is that Browse AI allows you to schedule scraping tasks. This means you can set it to scrape Yelp reviews on a regular basis, so you're always up to date with new feedback without having to lift a finger. Now, let me give you a pro tip. After you've scraped the reviews, you can export the data to a CSV file, making it easy to analyze or import into other tools you're using. This is perfect for businesses that want to track customer sentiment or analyze trends over time. But here's the best part. Using Browse AI, you can scrape not just Yelp reviews, but also data from hundreds of other websites, all without coding knowledge. So if you're looking to scale your data scraping operations across multiple platforms, Browse AI is the tool you want. To summarize, Browse AI makes scraping Yelp reviews simple and automated. You can get started quickly, and with its scheduling and exporting features, you can really streamline your processes. Plus, with the ability to scrape data from other sites as well, it's a powerful tool for any digital marketer or business owner. Remember, you can try Browse AI completely free with our exclusive bonus by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this extended free trial to see how Browse AI can elevate your data scraping game. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other guides and tutorials on tools that can help your business grow. Happy scraping!